What's up, YouTube? I'm back. I have one more unboxing to do today. One more. Move my yogurt out of the way and clear up some table space because I gotta unbox the same. I should have done that earlier. I did it. It's ridiculous. So, saw earlier, got the solid state drive-in. Pretty excited. So, told you I needed one more part to order, which was a graphics card, which is pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Windows is on the way. But so I'm doing some research. So, you know, my case has blue LEDs. So I was like, okay, well, and it has a window. So I was like, okay. So I was looking for a cooler for my unit, for my CPU. So I thought, okay, what we got? And I came across a couple really highly reviewed. It was like, oh, water cooling or air cooling. I was like, well, I really don't care. And I was like, well, I don't really want water cooling. I don't feel like dealing with the chance of something possibly getting ruined because of a leak or whatever. So I just said screw it. When with air cooling, I don't think I need the water cooling, you know, all that from my first build. So I figured I'd go with air cooling. So I looked at a couple with the Evo 212, and I went, well, what do I really want? And I saw this. It is. And I watched some videos and all that good stuff. I did a bunch of reviews on it. But I did look at the Enermax Black Twister, the ETS-T40. So here, be nice. You can see it's a blue LED. So this is the Black Twister. Comes with the blue LED. Looked at the VD. You know, I didn't really see a need for the ability to change light colors. I looked at the white one. What is it called? The White Cyclone or whatever it was. It was actually on. There's actually a rebate going on with it for $20 rebate. So it brings it down to $29.99. So I thought about it on UA. I'll post a link below so you can choose if you were looking for one yourself. But I chose the Black Twister. I found this on Staples. I actually found it was on UA, but I found it on Staples at a $10 coupon. So it's $49.99 plus a $10 coupon, so it knocks down like $40. One's a black one because the motherboard, granted the case is white, but inside the case, if you see it, white on the black with everything else. I don't know how well it would mesh, so I went with the black one. I felt like that was a safe bet. Let's open this bad boy up and see what you get inside. So here you go. This is the box, the ETS-T40, 200 watt support, and it supports your AMD processors and your Intel processors. And I'll just hold this here so you'll get a quick look at what processors it covers. And gotta make sure my camera's in some of the nonsense down here. The box looks cool. The box looks pretty fancy. Fancy looking box from lightning, space. On this side it says the main features in languages I don't understand. I don't think any of those in English. None of these are in English. So a bunch of foreign languages nonsense that I have no clue. Specifications, compatible sockets, dimensions, heatsink dimensions, heat pipes. Thermal greasing. Those come with thermal grease, but as you saw, I bought something a little bit better than TX2, so we have that. So you got the dimensions. We have a picture. So there you go. The heat pipe dimensions are 4.6 millimeters. Heatsink weight 610 grams. This thing does have weight to it. Dimensions. Heatsink dimensions 139 by 70 by 160, and dimensions. Width is 139 by 93 by 160. Fan dimensions 120 by 120 by 25. So 120 millimeter fan. Blue LED 4-pin connector, and bearing, twister bearing. And fan noise is 16 to 26 dBA. And the features: world-leading thermal resistance, performance, some nonsense. Path and circular LED, speed control system, keep the system silent at night, dual fan, installing your push-pull, side flow, blah, blah, blah. Here you go. You guys look at that. There you go. I'm not reading all that. That's too much to read. What your interest is what's in the box. So, get my little fancy blade. We'll cut this bad boy open, and we'll see what we got inside. So here you go. When you open it, you know, the box looks pretty cool. So if you're into box stuff, that's pretty cool. So this thing is a monster. So we got this bad boy open. And if you want to see how this thing's packaged, there you go. That's how it's packaged. Not pulling anything out. So what do we got over here? This thing is, wow, screws and brackets and bars and instructions and everything you could possibly need to make sure you get the thing connected. And I even see a tool. So there's even a little wrench there. See the little wrench? Pretty cool. So you have sockets and screws and washers and thermal grease is right there. So you, like I said, you do get thermal grease. But there you go. You can always upgrade. And there is a part for, there's a little extra bag for the 2011 socket. So there you go. I'm not taking all that out. I'm not going to connect this thing right now. Now, the bad boy that I have to pull out. I don't want to pull it out. I want to pull it out slowly. There we go. Alright. This is what we got right here. Boom. This thing has some weight to it. So there you go. You see the fan. They have little mirrors on it right here. So it looks like if the LEDs hit the mirrors and make the neat little sign. Clear blue plastic beside the mirrored sections. This is a nice black finish heatsink. You got your pipes and your tubing. It's all black. And it's the copper tubing right there. You can see it. I think it's copper. Relatively smooth. So with a sticker on, from what I can tell, this is relatively smooth. So I mean, as far as smooth is going to be with your pipes, it looks like your pipes are kind of right there. You can kind of see that. Yeah, I think this is. So, from my understanding, how you get the fan off is you're supposed to be able to like pull these off, right? Yeah, just these little brackets like this. You just pop them off, and I can take the other one off like so. Okay, pull down. Whoa! Fan came up like it was nothing. And there you go. You can kind of see. You can see this. You see the heatsink itself. So it's really solidly built. Nothing looks. A little bent piece right there. You can see that little piece right there is bent. I don't know if that's gonna hurt anything or not, but I'll just unbend it a little bit. So some of the corners look like they may be a little bit bent. So it's something you may want to keep in mind on these things. And this is the only one I've seen this happen with. Some people posted that it's happened on other ones. So I don't think it should affect anything, but it may be something to keep in mind. So to get the fan back on, you just lay it on top, like so. If I can get it back in, so I get the run the cable back through. So you just lay it on top, like so. Once you get on top, put the hooks in, hook in, and there you go. It just snaps in place like it's nothing. So, TB abolish fan. That's pretty cool. So, you know what I haven't checked? See if it's going to fit in my case. I forgot to measure my case when I ordered this. Oops. So, mistakes. But anyway, really nice looking fan. This is going to look nice in the case on top of the Gigabyte motherboard. Pretty excited to try this out. Can't wait. So anyway, that's it. That's all I really got today. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the videos of the unboxings of what you get on the Enermax Black Twister. Lots of stuff you get. I don't know how this thing will go back in. I don't even know if I'm putting it on the right side. Probably not. No, it goes on this side. Oh, I don't remember. Anyway, I give up on trying to repack it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Leave a like if you like it. If not, leave a dislike. Either way, at least you watched, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later. Take it easy. Peace!